outside there. My name is Acan Joyce once again, and I play a role of Chairperson Electoral Commission of Acholi Parliamentary Group. Today, I have been confirmed to continue to be the Chairperson Electoral Commission for Acholi Parliamentary Group. I have to make it clear that in the old constitution that has existed, there was no position of Electoral Commission. In 2021, when the 11th Parliament, Acholi Parliamentary Group came in, they felt it necessary to put up the office of Electoral Commission and a person who is neutral. And they identified that person in me because I take all the 43 districts of northern Uganda. And therefore, I have no interest whatsoever in any one district. And that's the reason why they entrusted me with the position of a Chairperson Electoral Commission of Acholi Parliamentary Group. In today's meeting, election never took place for the following purpose, that we felt it should be corrected. There were loopholes in the constitution, the old constitution, that we felt it wise that it should be amended. And as the outgoing chairperson has just said, that a team has been identified and put in place to carry out the constitutional review. And another advisory team also has been instituted today. I want to say that I do not like the fight that is existing amongst the Acholi Parliamentary Group. And it is my wish that the fights come to an end. And that is also another reason as to why we never allowed the election of today to take place. We first want to harmonize and make sure all the wrangling groups come together and we work together to develop Acholi.